In this video, we will learn how to get better aim in Fortnite. So improving your aim in Fortnite mainly depends on your sensitivity. So in order to get a better aim at the game, firstly all you need to do is adjust your sensitivity settings. In order to do that, head into the profile picture icon from the top right hand side of your screen. From there, head to the gear icon. After that, head on the keyboard and mouse icon from the top middle hand side of your screen. After that, coming in here, you will see a option called mouse sensitivity. So in order to achieve a more stable and better aim at Fortnite, you need to set your mouse sensitivity to as low as you possibly can and comfortably aim. So my recommendation will be using 800 dpi in your mouse, 1000 Hz polling rate and a sensitivity between 8 to 10%, which will improve your aim and stability quite a lot, and you can have a great time aiming at your opponents. And if you are using a controller, you should try to change the sensitivity of your controller to a lower sensitivity as well. In order to do that, come to the controller tab from the top right hand side of your screen. After that, scroll down in the sensitivity tab until you find the advanced options. Left click on it and click on confirm. After that, you will see that the advanced look sensitivity settings has been enabled and you can change your sensitivity from here according to your desire. After using these settings and getting into a game, you will have to work on your crosshair placement as well. So always try to keep your crosshair at head level instead of looking at the ground. Predict enemy movement and adjust your aim accordingly. You can use various aim trainers like Kovacs or Aim Labs for your aim training schedule. In there you can practice tracking and flicking, and if you practice enough you can build up a decent muscle memory. And also you should stick to one sensitivity and one aiming style for the muscle memory buildup. Avoid changing settings too often because it will take time for your brain to adjust to those settings. You should play more and warm up daily. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes warming up in a certain creative before playing real matches. Play more fights like zone wars, realistics and 1v1s to practice your fighting under pressure. And finally, a very important tip will be learning from pros. You should watch top Fortnite players like Tfue, Clicks or Reed and observe their aiming techniques. Try their controller and keyboard layouts if you are struggling with yours. By using these tips and settings, you can easily improve your aim in Fortnite and enjoy a more decent experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.